is going on, everybody? I am back today with another episode of some RC propaganda for you. In the last video, I was working on my Slash lower center of gravity chassis, and in this video, I will finish that. I needed some screws, and I needed this pin here, part number 3793. That is the pin in my slipper clutch setup. The gear sits on that pin, and that pin keeps breaking. These screws are for my shocks. I just needed some new shoulder screws. But I got this whole kit here, stainless steel hardware at my hobby shop. It was only $20, which I thought was a good deal. I've seen the stainless kits for this truck go for like $35 in other places. So I'm pretty pumped that I got this. I only need 3, but now I have all kinds of backups at a great price. So I was happy. My hobby shop had those. So first order of business is getting the transmission all put back together so we can finish getting the chassis built. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to take this pin out here and show you how it goes on. So I need my gear right here. So in the gear, you can figure out what way it goes on because you have these notches right here, and that's where the pin sits. And that when that gear catches, that's all that's holding it on. So it is kind of a weak point. So I'm just going to tap this gear down very lightly here with my sweet pink hammer and try to get it onto the pin. So just okay, so now the pin is in the slot there in the gear, as you can see there. And so now when the gear spins, it will spin the whole shaft. I have the pin that goes in here too, so washer was on that side. Okay. So now you can see that spins wee. So I just want to show this kit that I got. All the bags, it all comes labeled and tells you what you need. I think these are the ones I might... No, those are too short. I got it on my list up here. So here you can see there's my printout. So I got the number off of there so I know what they are. And they are 3x12s. Okay, so now we're going to put our slipper clutch on. This slides on first onto this pin in here. So, like you can see right here, a little groove. It's going to slide over your pin. Slide that down. Now that's in there. Put on your little plate. And you can see here the plate has to line up onto the tabs on that. And you put your spur gear on. This is a 90 tooth. And put your spring in. don't know what that screw goes to. And then put the nut on. You have to put some force to get it started because it's going to keep spinning. And then as you get it tight, hold your spur gear. And it will tighten. Now I go pretty tight on my slipper clutch, personally. Okay, now we can line up our motor. Okay, well, I got everything all put back together. What I actually am going to do, I'm going to put my little body retaining clips on before I call this project a day. Okay, and get to it. Okay, so I'm installing my little body clip retainers. I'm just drilling a small hole first and then using my body reamer to get it to a size, and then you just push it. Don't make the hole too big because you want this to fit nice and tight, so just go a little bit at a time and then you just pull it through and now it's in there. Okay, well, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Maybe you learned something. That's how the truck's going to sit for now. I got everything good. I'm going to go to the track tomorrow and test out my new chassis. And we'll see how it performs, and I will report back. Maybe I'll record some footage of the track, and yeah, maybe you can see it out there. Hope it runs good. So thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.